Yeah.
Just fuck with a nigga though.
You already know, nigga, I fuck with you,
Don't get on the
nigga.
cool, I believe we can take over the whole city.
Man, you already know I'm down what it is,
Why just
nigga.
start there though?
Yeah, but why,
Don't forget.
nigga? Why?
Let's keep this shit in motion, man.
Man, come on, let's go, man.
Hey,
You know, I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas keep it real. Fuck how you feel, they gon' tell you what it is. That's what it is. See that, my niggas? I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas in the grave, they just for you, I'ma always get paid and get laid. But anyway, I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas locked down, I'ma smoke a joint for you right now. Till you get that, see this about you. I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas taking care of their kids, and they get big. Fuck how they feel, that's how I feel. That's real shit there. I'ma make sure they never forget.
When I hit it, lick and put the money in the woods, then put a whole eighth of diesel in the backwoods. I got a rush for that cash, letting go the pass. The street shit is real, nigga. Hashtag. Hit it, lick and put the money in the backwoods, then put a whole eighth of diesel in the backwoods. I got a rush for that cash, letting go the pass. The street shit is real, nigga. Hashtag. I gotta turn the figure out the fingers on the cash. I might go marvel on the nigga, cause I'm like the Flash. You get the picture, cause that 80 niggas don't last. I see my niggas alone, pictures of the past. I can't be fucked up with these niggas, fucked up with these bitches. I took a year off on them haters, but I see more people. It's time to let them know I'm made for this. Get paid for this, make sure they never
forget. For all my niggas keep it real. Fuck how you feel, they gon' tell you what it is. That's what it is. See that, my niggas? I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas in the grave, they just for you, I'ma always get paid and get laid. But anyway, I'ma make sure they never forget.
I never forget where I came from, nigga. We ain't never had shit. Since my mama struggle, had a young nigga, he ain't lit. Getting bricks for my cousin, he was staying in the brick. I was dreaming this shit, on the road to get rich. Nigga gonna hate, told myself never switch. Pistol in my hand with the same old clip, with the same old nigga doing the same old shit. Yeah, one time for the real niggas, two times for that meal ticket. We locked in like a jail visit, I'm on my Paul visit. I got a whole team of niggas and they all with me. Yeah, you can catch us on the interstate. We getting money for the shows plus a dinner plate. I would never ever stop, I would never quit. It's like a dream to a nigga, how you feel, bitch?
For all my niggas keep it real. Fuck how you feel, they gon' tell you what it is. That's what it is. See that, my niggas? I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas in the grave, they just for you, I'ma always get paid and get laid. But anyway, I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas locked down, I'ma smoke a joint for you right now. Till you get that, see this about you. I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas taking care of their kids, and they get big. Fuck how they feel, that's how I feel. That's real shit. I'ma make sure they never forget. All a nigga know is what a nigga told. Till a nigga seen it with his own eyes. Had to make 50 off for 3 flies. Swear that shit changed that nigga whole life. I swear all I need is one mic, but that's gon' take flippin' 10 pies. It's back to the streets with my 4-5, 9mm at all times. They say that the cat got 9 lives, but that don't apply to a pussy nigga. I been doing this, y'all niggas rookies niggas. You say you fuck with me, y'all niggas book me nigga, but that can't depend on no nigga. If you real, you know I know what I know, nigga. It always start with the slow figures. More mind, more ground, what they never forget. For all my niggas keep it real. Fuck how you feel, they gon' tell you what it is. That's what it is. See that, my niggas? I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas in the grave, they just for you, I'ma always get paid and get laid. But anyway, I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas locked down, I'ma smoke a joint for you right now. Till you get that, see this about you. I'ma make sure they never forget. For all my niggas taking care of their kids, and they get big. Fuck how they feel, that's how I feel. That's real shit. I'ma make sure they never forget.